In this video, we're going to look at Intel's stock price and the underlying business to see if it meets value investment criteria. We are also going to look at some of the company's financial figures and do a calculation to see what the stock should be worth. To start, we want to look at the profit before tax and expenses. This will tell us the margin or percentage of money a company keeps before tax and expenses. 40% or more is desired here, very close to 40 is okay as well. Next, we want to look at the profit after tax and expenses. This is a measure of a company's net profitability and we're looking for 20% or higher. Next up is retained earnings. Here we want to see steady growth. If it's not growing steadily, then the money the company is earning is not consistent year on year and can be a result of volatility. Next is the return on equity. This is a measure of the profitability of a business in relation to the equity or money the company has. Generally 15 to 20% is good, but it can vary between industries. Next, we want to see if the company can pay off its debt in less than 4 years. The shorter time to pay off the debt, the better. Next, we want to calculate the capital expenditure to income ratio. The lower the better, so less than 25% is great and less than 50% is acceptable here. Okay, for Intel they passed in most categories except for capital expenditure and were borderline for profit after tax and expenses, with 3 years that passed and 2 that didn't. Also, I want to set a goal of 100 subscribers by January 1st, 2022. If you can help me reach this, I would really appreciate it, and remember, subscribing is free and you can always unsubscribe in the future. Okay, we are going to calculate the intrinsic value of Intel stock using EPS, growth rate and P/E ratios from Yahoo Finance. For Intel, the current stock price is much higher than even the fair value price, and they didn't pass in all financial categories, so this would be a good stock to pass on. Thanks for watching. Also, a quick legal disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and this should not be taken as financial advice. Please consider talking to a financial advisor before making investment decisions.